Hello everyone, welcome to my channel MJ Pharma. I am Miss Mohini Jagtap, lecturer in JM City Institute of Pharmacy, Nasik. Today we discuss about the sensory organ, that one is ear. It is one of the most important in sensory organ system. In this video, we discuss about introduction, definition, classification and their function, pathway of sound, and journey of sound to the brain. Firstly, you all know about basic knowledge of sensory organ which is included in a human system. The 5 sense organ are included in human system. First one is eyes, which is help to visualization. Second one is tongue. This organ help to the sense of various taste. Third one is nose. This organ help to smell. Fourth one is skin. This organ help to the sensation of touch. And last one is ear. This was a 5 sense organ included in a human system, that is first one is eyes, second one is tongue, third one is nose, fourth one is skin, and last ear. Now the definition of a sensory organ. It is defined as an organ of the body which responds to external stimuli by conveying impulse to sensory nervous system. The sensory organ are useful for the perform the following function be like taste, smell, hearing, touch and see. Let's start our today's topic, ear. The structure of ear. The ear is divided into 3 parts. First one is outer ear, second one is middle ear, this is also known as a tympanic membrane, third one is inner ear. This picture will show the image of outer ear. This one is middle ear, and this picture shows the inner ear. This was a 3 image of outer ear, middle ear and inner ear. The ear is divided into 5 major division. That is first one is outer ear, second one is middle ear, third one is inner ear, fourth one is cranial nerve and fifth one is brain. This is 5 major division of ear. The outermost layer is known as outer ear. The second layer of ear, this is known as middle ear. The third layer in the ear, this is known as inner ear. Fourth one part, which is very important part or which is very important division in the ear, that is cranial nerve. They can convey the sound wave through the inner ear to the brain. And fifth one is brain. In this figure, you can show the internal structure of ear. Now we discuss about the outer ear. The outer ear consists of auricles. This is also known as pinna. And second one is auditory canal. The given figure shows the landmarks of the pinna. This part is known as helix. This part is known as concha. This part of ear, this is known as antihelix. This one is known as tragus. This one is known as antitragus. And this part is known as intertragal notch. Now we discuss about the auricles in detail. It is a visible part of the body as you show in figure. It is composed of fibroelastic cartilage converted with the skin. The outer ridge part is known as helix and the soft palate of ear is known as lobule. Now the next point is auditory canal. It is slightly S-shaped tube. It is about 2.5 cm long, approximately 1 inch. The auditory canal is external from auricle to tympanic membrane. The auditory canal numerous creminis and hair follicles. In the auditory canal having numerous glands are modified sweat glands that secreted cerumenum. This is also known as earwax. The next part of outer ear, this is a tympanic membrane. This is also known as eardrum. The tympanic membrane is a thin membrane. It is oval in shape. Tympanic membrane form a boundary between outer and middle ear. Tympanic membrane vibrates their response to sound wave. This figure shows the tympanic membrane. The function of outer ear is, first one is collection. In this function, collection of sound by the surrounding area. Second one is localization. Third one is resonator. Fourth one is protection. And fifth one is sensitivity. This is the main function of outer ear. Now we move towards the next part. This one is middle ear. This is an irregular shape. Air fill the cavity. The middle ear includes malleus, incus, stapes and eustachian tube. As you can see in the figure, this figure shows the middle ear. The ossicular chain includes malleus, incus and stapes. The hammer-shaped bone is known as malleus. The anvil-shaped bone is known as incus. And the strip-shaped bone is known as stapes. The function of middle ear is, first one, conduction. In this function of the ear is conduct the sound from outer ear to the inner ear. Second one is protection. It creates the barrier that protects the inner area from foreign objects. Third one is transducer. The transducer helps to convert acoustic energy to the mechanical energy and mechanical energy to the hydraulic energy. And last one is amplifier. Amplifier helps to transform action of the ear. The last part of ear is inner ear. The main object of inner ear contains organ of hearing and balance. It consists of vestibuli, cochlea and semicircular canal. The cochlea, it is a snail-shaped organ with series of fluid-filled tannins. It converts mechanical energy into the electrical energy. It includes oval window and rounded window. The oval window located at the foot plate of the steps. When the foot plate vibrates, the cochlear fluid set into the motion. And rounded window, function of the pressure relief part of the fluid set into the motion initially by the movement of steps in oval window. The function of inner ear is convert mechanical sound wave to the neural impulse that can be recognized the brain for hearing and balancing. Now we move towards the next topic is a pathway of sound. The sound waves are collected to the outer ear, that is pinna. After the collection of sound goes into the middle ear. In the middle ear consists of tympanic membrane. After passing the tympanic membrane, the sound waves goes through the ossicles and by the cranial nerve convey the sound wave to the brain. This is a flow chart of pathway of sound. The first sound wave goes in pinna, after then goes into the auditory canal, then they goes ossicles. This part's included in a outer ear. After passing ossicles, they can goes oval window. Then they pass cochleae. After the passing of cochleae, the sound wave included in a middle ear. In the middle ear, sound wave pass the hair cells and they goes inner ear area. The sound waves convey hair cell to the auditory nerves and the auditory nerves convey the sound wave to the brain. The sound energy converted into the mechanical energy in the middle ear, and this mechanical energy converted into electrochemical energy in inner ear. The function of ear. The first one function is hearing of sound. This is the main function of ear. Second one is sound conduction and transmission. And third one is balance and equilibrium. This is the main function of ear. Now we goes journey of sound to the brain into the next part of the video. Thank you for watching this video.